A heat pump works by moving heat from one location to another. This heat can then be used in the home to heat radiators, underfloor heating systems, or warm air convector heaters, and also heat your hot water. What makes heat pumps so efficient is they work using electrical energy to transfer heat rather than burning fossil fuels to create heat. Heat pumps only use a small amount of electrical energy to take low-temperature heat from the outside air, and through a clever process using a refrigerant to change it to high-temperature heat to warm your home and hot water. A typical air source heat pump consists of 2 fans, refrigerator coils, a compressor, and a heat exchanger or condenser. The first fan pulls air from the outside over the cooler refrigerator-filled coils. This heat, although cold in comparison with the home's internal air, is warm enough to raise the refrigerant's temperature and change it from liquid to gas. This gas is then compressed using the electrically driven compressor, which reduces its volume but significantly raises its temperature. The heat exchanger or condenser then extracts the heat from the hotter refrigerant to heat your home. This heat can either be sent around the property, that's air to air, or transferred to your home's wet central heating, that's air to water, and provides hot water. After giving up its heat energy, the refrigerant turns back into a liquid and the cycle begins again. Typically, air source heat pumps operating in Guernsey are up to 300% more efficient. For every kilowatt of electrical energy that's used to power them, the heat pumps produce up to 3 kilowatts of usable heat in return. For every £10 you spend running a heat pump, it could provide you with around £30 worth of heat. Heat pumps extract latent air from outside even at temperatures below freezing. They deliver heat, even at lower temperatures, over much longer periods, so it's important your home has good levels of insulation and draft proofing. Your heating will probably need to be set to come on for longer periods, as heat pumps are not as responsive as traditional boilers. The higher efficiency and lower running costs means this should not negatively affect your bill. The best tariff would be Guernsey Electricity's Superheat tariff. Air source heat pumps are easy to install. All you need is an outside area with enough space to allow a good airflow. Ground source heat pumps are even more efficient. They collect heat from the soil in looped piping buried in the ground. Usually between 100 and 200 meters of piping is needed and can also be installed vertically in a series of boreholes. Running costs are usually less than air source, although installation costs can cost more. Heat pumps require little annual maintenance and are highly reliable when installed correctly. The pump itself has a life expectancy of around 20 years, while a good ground loop could last up to 40 years. You can also say goodbye to flue and storage tanks, as the heat pumps do not rely on burning fossil fuels. For more information, visit our website or get in touch.